I used to think that things will be done my way, and nothing could shake me. I gotta use to what you want seem impossible, and I saw what could be real, and saw something is proof, and I felt you by my side. I want you to believe that love is possible, and while you're right now, I know not visible. It belongs to another, and still I surrender. I will make it work, at least for the moment. I want you to make you happy. Another belongs to another, and still I surrender. And when you get back, I will be waiting, and I hope you do the same. I will be here at that feeling too. After all, I could not forget. And when you get back,